In this vlog, I'm going to show you how to replace the band in your Fitbit Versa 2. Okay, so I bought this product from Uncool from Amazon.com, and I'm going to replace my old wristband, my old watch band, with a new one, with a blue strap. And this is how to do it. Okay, so this is the Fitbit Versa 2. In one of my videos, I showed you the Fitbit Versa 2, the unboxing of my Fitbit Versa 2, and I use this for different purposes, because this is like a smartwatch. So you can use this for a timer. You can also use this for alarm, not only like a watch, but you can use it for different things. And you can also monitor your food intake, and then if you're tracking your steps, you can also use the Fitbit Versa 2. So right now my strap is black, so I'm going to replace it with a blue band, okay, that I got from Amazon, and this is from Uncool. Okay, so this is how you remove the band. Okay, so as you can see here in the strap, you can see there are pins here, and then all you have to do is just press this pin. You will press this pin down so that you can remove it. Okay, so it's already done. And now, so that you will not be confused, because you remove this part, right? So try to get the same band. Okay, so here, when you put the band, you have to put it here in the hole, and then you have to do it like 130 degrees angle. Okay, there. So I tried to sway it so that you will see that it's really attached. Now it's already there. Okay, now here there's another one. So you press this pin again. There, it's easy to remove it. And then you put the other band the same way as I did before. So press it in like 130 degrees, and then put it inside. Really put it inside the hole. If not, you will not be able to put it in. So you see here. Now try to move it so that you will see that it's already in place. And now it's already here. That's how to replace the band of the Fitbit Versa 2. Okay, I hope that you get some information about this. And this is really a very nice watch for your physical fitness monitoring, for tracking your food intake, and also alarm, because this like there's an app that will give you those information. See, this is the watch. Once you press it in, you have the Fitbit Versa, so you can see how many steps you have taken during the day. This is the monitoring of your exercise routine. You can set it up. So there are different things, and then when you go to the website, you can also change the settings of your Fitbit Versa 2. I hope that you like this video. So please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more video updates, and I'll show you in my other video more information about the Fitbit Versa 2. Okay, bye! Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more video updates. Thank you. Thank you. guys, I hope that you like this video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more video updates. Thank you.